I made $6,000 last year in affiliate store commission promoting the Unity Asset Store sales. Here's how I did it, and here's how you can do it too. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise a product on a company's behalf and receive commission if someone purchases said product through your link. Or if someone uses your link to go to the store and doesn't buy that specific product but buys another product, you'd still get commission because your link brought them to the store and helped make that purchase. As a Unity content creator, advertising the Unity Asset Store is a perfect way for me to make money and goes hand in hand with what I'm already doing. The Asset Store offers a 5% commission off of sales, and you can even get commission off of the Unity Plus and Pro subscription purchases. To sign up, all you need to do is go to unity.com/affiliates and enter your information. I personally was automatically signed up when I was invited to be a Unity insider, but the process is rather straightforward. All you need is a website or a social media platform where you are active. And once you've gotten accepted, congratulations, you gain access to Partner Eyes, where you can view your analytics and see how much money you've made. There will be an affiliate ID which will be added to all the links to track your sales. The Asset Store also has a link maker where you can input your ID and easily get links for any assets. You'll also receive emails when a sale starts, which can be a great time to make some extra money. I've personally been advertising sales through my videos, YouTube posts, Twitter posts, and Discord announcements. I really tried to connect with the assets and the audience and show their use in a unique way. So in my videos, for example, I use the assets to try to kit bash a quick prototype and show how useful they are. I personally focus on promoting assets because it's easier to convince someone to purchase them because it can help speed up development by a lot. But there are so many different ways to advertise products, and you should definitely choose one that fits your unique original voice. Being partnered with Unity and getting commission sales has really helped me out a lot personally, as I am self-employed and it is a great source of extra income. Now you too can also help support your game dev dreams and others' dreams by becoming a Unity affiliate.